Good morning, everybody. My name is James Cagle. Today we're creating a video using the Cisco packet tracer. It is 5.5.3.4. We're going to be performing an initial configuration on a switch, which is over here on this network. It's a 2960 24TT customer switch. It's Cisco. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to probably connect it, and then we're going to go into it, go to desktop, terminal, and then go from there. So, but first thing we got to do is get a console cable. That way we're able to talk between the two. We're going to go here we're going to hook it up to the console terminal. Okay, so now we're able to get into it. So we'll come over here. We're going to click on that one, desktop terminal. Alright, so now we're inside the switch. This is the first time that we've done this. It's pretty much the same thing as a router. So we're going to configure the terminal. Alright, and then from here we're gonna give it a host name. Host name is always one word. We're going to call it customer switch. Okay, we're going to enable. Okay, whoop, already enabled it. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to give it some passwords just like we do a router. So we're in here at customer switch. We're going to go enable password Cisco. Enable. Alright, and then we're going to go enable secret password. Alright, and we're going to call that Cisco 123. Cisco 123. Make sure I got it all spelled correctly. That way we don't have to do anything funky to get back into it. Alright, there we go. From here we're going to configure the line console. Line console 0. Alright, basically we're going to give it a password to get into the console also. So we're going to give it a password Cisco. Alright, and then we're going to go we're going to tell it that you need the upon entry when you log in, that's when you need to use the password. Okay, we're going to go exit. Alright, this is a fairly quick one. This is basically the same thing as a router, that's why we're just kind of speeding through it. Alright, so from in here we're also going to configure the VTY. So we're going to go line VTY, virtual terminal. This one is actually 0.15 though instead of 0.4 like you would use in a router. Alright, so here we're going to go password Cisco. Password Cisco upon login. Alright, from here we'll go ahead and do the interface, the VLAN. VLAN 1. There's a space in between those, you got to remember that. Alright, then we're going to give it an IP address. And we're going to give that IP address. Ooh. Computer's running a little slow, I apologize. Okay, sorry about that. That's the glory of these things here. We're going to give it an IP address of 192.168.1.5. And we're going to give it a, since it's a Class C, we're going to give it a full. Alright. We're going to do a no shut on it. That way we turn it up. And then we're going to exit out of there. Okay. Whoops. No shut. Exit. Okay, now we're back in the global configuration. Okay. What we need to do now is we need to configure the default gateway. Okay. So we'll go IP default slash gateway or dash. Default dash 192.168.1.1. Okay. Alrighty, and that should be good. We'll exit out of here. We're going to give it a copy run start. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, that's basically all we're doing right there, gentlemen. We did it. Let's go ahead and check our results. There we go. We completed it. Alrighty. And that is my video for Packet Tracer 5.5.3.4. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.